What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the shop. We're doing something that's needed. There's my best track impression from the track the other night. No, I'm just kidding. We're doing something that's very much needed because we're almost into June, so I'm gonna let you guess what the project is for today. But hold on, cue up that epic intro. Let's go. Alright guys, so here is the deal. Obviously you can tell car has air conditioning and all that. We just kind of stopped here. This was back in, you know, the fall. Didn't need it. We're trying to get rolling and get to some of the shows and the events. But basically all we got to do is get the high and low side pressure switches wired up and then run it into town, put it on the machine and fill it up, and we'll have cold air conditioning because you see the compressor down there, all the lines, because this is a street car. Right, Cody?
Yeah.
It's a street car. Just because it does these waist-high wheelies does not mean we don't have air conditioning, right? And power steering and, you know, all the creature comforts you get in a 92 Mustang, which are none. But anyway, guys, that is what is up. We're going to make cold air today. All right, boys, AC is wired. We just got to get it to town, get some Freon put in that dude. She'll be blowing cold. And progress over here. Look at this, we got drive shaft, we have X pipe, and we got fluid in the trans. I see all kinds of lines dangling here. So we're doing, getting all the AC and power steering on Lee's car. We're like not far from firing this thing. Seriously, not that far. All the brake lines up front are done. Got to finish a few in the back. But yeah. There's still some stuff to do, obviously. You know, just because you fire a car doesn't mean you're actually anywhere near done. But just kind of getting down to the little nitty-gritty details, and this thing will be rolling very shortly. This is the fun part, right, Dover?
Yeah,
all those little lines and good stuff. Good stuff. All right, boys. Let's check in on Alex's car. He's starting to get all the little bugs and everything worked out of it. But just like with any swap, You're always gonna have some issues.
It's on.
All right, take 3. Alex, what was it?
Nothing.
All right, let's do it. Look at that. Ah, she's alive. Still sound like we got, is that air sucking on?
No.
Ah, that would help.
All right.
Yeah, that sounds a little better now. You got the tailpipes on it? All right, Alex, let's hear it, dude. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She's alive, boys. Got the bump steer kit on it. Got to finish up some brake lines and all that. That is what is up with swap. Now here's the deal, guys. Every little thing that can go wrong possibly will go wrong with these. It's just, you know, it's one of those things where you've got a whole lot of stuff in there that was never meant to go there to begin with. And you know, it just seems like one after another. I mean, I have friends that have done similar stuff like this, and over time, you know, it took them a year and a half of, you know, just driving, finding something, fixing it, driving again, finding something, braking, fixing it, you know, whatever. So, you know, it is what it is. If you've built cars before, I'm just preaching to the choir. All right, boys, so that is pretty much what we've got going on today. Again, just doing a lot of the little small stuff, getting Lee's cars pretty well knocked out. You will see the first fire of this car very shortly. Whipple Charge Gen 2 Coyote T56. It's gonna be sweet. Super excited to see what this thing will do, other than just, you know, roast tires off. It's going to be pretty crazy. We should have the rest of the parts for Jeremy's car here hopefully soon. I know everybody wants to see this car get built too. If you're new to the channel, boom, yes sir, this one's getting the Super Snake engine. And then the lead foot gray 93 over there, getting the VMP supercharged Gen 2 engine. Just waiting on parts for that as well, so never a dull moment, I promise you. We will be hitting the track again shortly, probably with some steeper gears, some torque box reinforcements. Yeah, just trying to whittle that ET down. because I want to know. I want to know how fast we can go with an old junkyard coyote. Should be lots of fun. So that is what is up, guys. Keep it tuned right here. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and lots more coming. I promise you. Later.